Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically send Microsoft Lens files to PDF.co using Zapier. Let's start. We'll start by creating a Zap. Let's now set up our trigger. Type in and select OneDrive as our trigger app. Then, select New File as our trigger event. After that, select or connect the OneDrive account that you're going to use. Then, choose the folder that has the file from your Microsoft Lens. Since we're done setting up the trigger, we will now test it to check for errors. We're now done with our trigger. Let's go ahead and set up our action. Type in and select PDF.co as our action app. Then, select PDF Filler as our action event. After that, select or connect the PDF.co account that you'll be using. Let's now set up the action parameters. For the source PDF, select Download URL from OneDrive. Then, for the images, type in the X and Y coordinates, page number, and the signature URL. Now that we're done setting up the action, let's go ahead and test it. Since the test was successful, let's go ahead and use the output URL to check the result. Here's our result PDF. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.